Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
Here's some simple garage shelves that I built for a friend of mine the other day. He wanted them to hold his coolers, sleeping bags, pretty lightweight stuff. And he wanted them up high. And when you mount these to the wall, a lot of times it's hard to find the stud. But let me show you behind the sheetrock. Behind the sheetrock in most garages, I know this one because we built it. There's a double top plate that's about 3 inches to get your screws into. You can put a couple of screws in there. A few 2x6s, some 5/4 deck boards, all thread, conduit, and a few nuts and washers, and you're on your way. And you can cut these any width or any height that you want, and I'm just basically notching out the 2x6 where the 5/4 can fit in there. And there's several different ways you can do this. I thought about doing it with hinges or little angle brackets, but I just felt like this, so that's what I did. Here I'm just drilling the corners where I can get the saw blade in there. It's just a little easier, and precision was really not that important on this. And then there's just a bunch of drilling and cutting, and you can look at the junk in the background. There's a Van Gogh in the back. I like the paintings, and there's the radial arm saw in the saw station. And then stained them. This is the kind of stain that you'd use on a wooden fence. And I did it 3 times now. If you look at these shelves, they go up through the ceiling. The all thread goes up through the ceiling. And the upright 2x6s are screwed with 2 screws in the top plate, and then the studs, I put a screw in the bottom to hit the studs. When you drill up through the ceiling, watch out, because you don't know what's up there electrically. You don't know what kind of a weirdo wired it, or what kind of wires would be up there. What kind of wires you think you could hit?
Yeah, 220, 221, whatever it takes.
Exactly. Anyway, it turned out to be a pretty good set of shelves, and he liked it. I liked it. That's all there is to it. Off to the next project.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.